Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way in. If you have been here before, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to focus on the home decor type of mid-century modern. While many design trends come and go, the mid-century modern style is a style that is concreted in today's design vocabulary. The style rose to prominence in the 1950s and 60s. It took a bit of a dive after that, however, it came back really strong in the 80s. So sit back, grab a glass of your favorite drink, and let's get right into this video. Mid-century modern style is a style of interior design characterized by a contemporary, somewhat futuristic aesthetic and an emphasis on function. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Don't forget to comment your favorite room down below. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Once again, comment your favorite room down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. So now we're at my favorite part of the video that I tell you what my favorite room out of everything was. But first off, what was your favorite? Comment down below. Mine has to be this room. I am a sucker for cream and grays and just perfect lighting, and this room is everything to me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.